Salted egg prawns is a common dish served in most Chinese seafood restaurants. It is delicious, buttery with salted egg flavor. It has a rich aroma of curry leaves. Today we are cooking salted egg prawns with butter and garlic. The ingredients are 400 grams of fresh tiger prawns, deveined and washed. You can use shrimp as well. Check out the description box for the link of how to devein and wash the prawns. 4 to 5 stems of curry leaves. 4 medium-sized salted egg yolk, pre-cooked, with shell and egg white removed. If using large salted egg, you may use just 3 yolks. 3 tablespoons of tapioca flour. 1 red bird eye chili, cut to pieces. This is optional. Half teaspoon of salt, 50 grams of unsalted butter, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, and oil for deep frying. First, marinate the prawns. Put all the prawns onto a large plate. Sprinkle in 3/4 of the salt. Rub the salt on the prawns. Turn to the other side and repeat with the rest of the salt. Be careful when doing this, as the prawns still have a sharp horns and might poke your hand. Now prawns are marinated. Set it aside. Next, mash the salted egg yolk. Use a small fork to press each of the yolk to break them to small pieces, one by one until all the yolks are mashed. See, this is how it should look like. As we are not cooking it immediately, I'm using cling wrap to cover the yolk to prevent it from drying up. Next, frying the prawns. Right before frying the prawn, sprinkle the tapioca flour over them. This is to absorb the moisture from the prawns to prevent oil splash. It also makes the prawns crispier when deep frying and allow the salted egg sauce to stick better. Alright, this should be enough. The prawns are not too wet now. Let's go and fry them. I have prepared the hot oil in the frying pan here. Use the tongue to pick up the prawns and carefully put the prawns onto the hot oil, one by one. Since I have 10 pieces of prawns, I will fry them in 2 batches. Make some space between the prawns to allow them to curl up when they are cooked. Leave to cook for about 45 seconds. Turn the prawns into another side and continue to cook for another 1.5 minutes. This is to ensure prawns are well cooked. The cooking time also depends on the size of the prawns too. Larger prawns need slightly longer time to cook for each side, while smaller prawns require less time. Alright, the prawns are already cooked. Remove it from the hot oil and rest it on the strainer to drain out excess oil. When frying the prawns, the oil tends to get a lot of scum released from the prawn's head, making the oil darker in color and getting stuck into the pan. We need to remove all the scums before putting the next batch. Put in the second batch and repeat the step. Alright, all the prawns are all cooked. Take it out from the pan and switch off the heat. Set the prawns aside. Next, cooking the salted egg sauce. Put in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and wait for the oil to heat up. Pour in all chopped garlic. Stir fry until garlic is brown and fragrant. This will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, garlic is brown and ready. Switch off the heat and remove it from the pan. I'm removing the garlic oil too. This garlic oil can be used to cook fried rice or stir-fried vegetable. Heat the pan, add in all butter. Use a spatula to melt butter. While melting the butter, add in curry leaves and the cut chili. Once butter is all melt, stir for another 10 to 15 seconds to ensure the butter is ready hot but not burning. Next, add in the mashed salted egg and give it a quick stir. With enough heat, the mixture will form foam or bubbles. Continue to stir until the mixture bubbles like this. Immediately add in the fried prawns and fried garlic. Switch off the heat. Mix until prawns are coated with salted egg butter sauce. Alright, it is done. A simple and delicious salted egg prawns recipe. This is best served immediately while it is hot. Let's eat! Wow, so delicious! The prawns are so sweet and they are cooked just perfectly. The salted egg butter sauce is super tasty and very fragrant. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please hit that like button. Subscribe for more simple, delicious home-cooked recipe like this. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!